Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make any design of your choice in Canva. Launch the Canva, make sure you know what you want to create. Let's assume you want to create a flyer or a banner, or maybe you want to give a birthday present to someone who is celebrating his birthday. You can design pictures this way for them. So as we are designing the picture, you'll be seeing what you can do with Canva, so that if you want to create something like a business advert, you know how to go about it. Okay, so we want to create everything from the scratch. We click on that plus button. We want to make let's take a poster. Okay, there are templates of everything that you need. There are different templates here for businesses, for this, for that, for Valentine, for birthday, for wedding, and for so many things. But we want to create everything from scratch. So click on back. So we have the plain place that we have here, plain background where we can create. Okay, we click on plus button and add the person's picture. Let's assume you want to create a birthday presence, an image. You choose an image. Okay, choose an image. All right, this is the image. Well, let's assume you wanted to add an image that has a background. How do you remove the background? For instance, if there is an image this way, any of these images here can serve. Okay, if you add this image, there is a background, this field here. How do you remove the background? Let me quickly show you. Download this application, remove.bg, or you can go through your Google Chrome, you type remove.bg. Okay, this was the latest one I removed. You click on upload image. When you launch the app, this is how it will be. Click on upload image here. You find where your image is. Okay, where is the image now? Okay, let's assume you want to remove the background of this image. Okay, you just select it and allow it to upload. Removing background, so it has removed the background now. Okay, you can edit it and do so many other things. You can add other backgrounds if you wish to. For instance, let's click this one and see what will happen. Have you seen it has added another background? But we just need it plain. So after doing it this way, you click on download. Click download here and it will be downloaded to your gallery. Okay, I've already downloaded this one. Let me download it again. So it has downloaded, waiting for you to open it. Okay, this is it. So after downloading the image without background, you go back to your Canva, you upload it from here, and then you now work on it. As you can see, this pink line shows whether it is at the middle or not. Once it is at the middle, it will turn to cross. If not, you see, it's now at the middle. Okay, this is birthday. Let's add some templates. There are so many things you can use here: lines, arrows, frames, circles, squares, rectangles, hearts, border, and so on and so forth, depending on the one that you need to. Okay, I want a line or a shape. I want something like a triangle. So these are triangles here. You choose from the one that you want. So I need this right angle triangle here. You have to be creative while working with Canva. Okay, it's all about creativity. You may have a Canva or have my Canva, but what you create and what I will create will not be the same. I like pink backgrounds, so let me choose this. Don't worry, it's not going to cover the picture. So if it's covering the picture this way, you want the picture to come at the front, you go to position, choose go to back. Okay, if it is the picture that is selected, you click come to front or forward. So this is what we have. I want this to appear like there are rays of light. So I go back to my templates, sorry, my elements, and then I choose something looking that way. Okay, let's come to, okay, see what I'm looking for here. This background here. All right, this is it. You go to position as well. Position, backward, backward again. Okay. All right. I want it to show at this background. You see, but it's not showing what I want it to show. So what I have to do is that I'll reduce the transparency of this pink background here. See, pink or purple, purple background. So this is transparency here. You click on it. Sorry, you select the background itself. You reduce. Can you see? The more you reduce, the more what you want to show shows. And I want a white background here. So I will copy this. I'll copy this background here. Duplicate. Okay, I've duplicated it. So you can use this to turn. You can use it to turn, and then you change the color to white. So this is it. I want it to be total white. I don't want these rays to show. Okay, so you go back to transparency still. You increase the transparency to 100. Can you see it now? Then this picture should come out. Position, move to back. All right, this is it. Then because it's a birthday picture, you add other things. Let's go to border. Let's add some borders. Okay, let me add this. Let me put it here. Okay, then duplicate, bring it down here, but you have to turn it. You can use this to turn. Okay, if you don't want to use that to turn, you can come to flip, flip, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Can you see now? So this is what I now have. You can change the colors. It has a red color here, it has this yellow color. You can change the colors here if you wish to, but I don't wish to. What again should I add? Let me add another border. If I see a very good one anyway. Yeah, I like this one, this black one. I like it. Let me put it here. Okay, shift it to the edge. I don't want it to be so big this way, so I'll crop it off. Good. This is what I have now. You can add another one here if you wish to. Let me add some flowers. You can type flowers here, or you can search here to see if you will see. Yeah, this is flower here. Click on it and add any flower of your choice. These are flowers, depending on your choice and your taste. Some are animated, some are not. Like this one is animated. Oh, this one seems to be very nice, but it has some backgrounds. It has some backgrounds. I need one that has no background. So let me go and download a flower without a background here. Flower images. These are images of flowers. All right, let me take this one here. Download image. Download. It's downloading. It has been downloaded. So I come back here and then I change the background. I remove the background rather. Downloads. This is it. And I'll download it again. So that's what I'll use. Come back to my Canva. Add. Come to gallery here. Images. This is it. Let me keep it this way. Okay. Nice. Let's see if we can add other things from here. Templates. There's a flower here. I can add this one here. But since it's covering the image, no problem. Go back to your position here. Backward. Allow it to come. I have load that. Sorry. The network is not so nice. Yeah. See, it's still highlighted. Come on, do not waste my time, please. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't waste my time. Come on. All right, this is it. It has gone to the back of the picture. So I can place it this way. Let me increase this. This is the undo button and then the redo button. I want to place it at the center. Okay, it's good this way. What other thing do you feel we can add? There should be a cake, right? And there should be a text as well. Let's add a text. Come to the text here. There are many samples of texts that you can use that have been modified for you. But if you want to add your own, you come to add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. So let's add a subheading. Anyone you choose, you can change how it looks like, the style, or so many other things. So let's type a happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, and then I place it here. This is not how it's going to appear. Let's change the font. You come to font here. You choose any of these fonts from here that you want to. There are so many of them downstairs. If you come down, there are so many of them. Okay, so you can choose this. You can choose this. You can choose this. You can choose any of this. Okay, I think this one is okay. It appears small, right? Come to this font size, then you increase it. There are so many other buttons that you can use here. You can change the color from here. I like pink colors. I like red colors like this. So you can change it to any of the colors that you wish to. What color shall we choose now? Okay, let me take a red. Format. You can make all of them capital letter as you typed it. This, this. So just suit yourself, okay? Then the spacing here, you have letter spacing and line spacing. Line spacing will work out when you have more than one line. But since we have just one line, if you shift it, it's not going to work out, okay? It's not going to work out. Let me do the line spacing so that you see. This is the letter spacing, the space between each letter here, okay? This is it. Then when you come to effects here, effects will determine how it appears, okay? I think I like this one. Then shape, whether it will be curved or normal, okay? Then the transparency, you've known about it. Animate. The animate you can choose to make it appear still, or whether it should appear with some motions. Can you see it? Let's return it to normal and I'll show you something. Okay, look at the, after doing everything, this is where you download your picture. But once you change it to any of the animate here, it will change to a play sign. They are still the same thing. They work the same thing. Okay, so let me return it to none. This is about animation. There are so many good things you can use here. Okay, we've added a text. Happy birthday. Let me duplicate it. Happy birthday to, sorry, happy birthday to, who's the person to you? Happy birthday to, happy birthday to my, sweetheart. Ooh, this sounds so interesting. Okay, let me change this so that it can appear very well. Let me change the color. I think blue can serve here. I think this is okay. Can as well change how it appears, the font. Let me leave it this way. Okay, you can add so many other things like candles, cakes, champagne, glass, all these things that are very helpful when celebrating a birthday. Okay, let me check if I'm going to see anything here. Very nice. There's a flower here. Position to back. Okay. What if there is a cake? There are cakes here. Let me see if there is any cake. These ones have backgrounds. Let me see if I've uploaded any cake without the background here. Yeah, there are cakes here that I've uploaded without the background. Okay. So I can use any of them. Let me use this one. This is a cake. I don't want it to cover our frame. Okay. Position. Yeah, this is it. You can add champagnes and everything that you wish to. After designing it this way, remember it's a matter of choice. Remember to keep it short and simple. White backgrounds are always good. They bring out colors. Okay. But everybody has his own taste of colors. So you can add some bottles depending on the person. If they are rugged guys, you can do that. If they are not, you can change it. You can as well clean this thing that is here by adding a line. Let us add a line to see. Go to elements. These are recently used. Let's add this line here. Let's add this line here. Okay. Increase the weight. Increase the weight. Then you can move it and then close it up. And increase the weight small. And then close it up. Okay. It's gonna look like this. But if you don't wish it to, you go ahead and delete it. After all, it's the person's name. Okay. You can add other fancy things, but it's good you keep it short and simple. Okay. Yeah, it's good you keep it short and simple. You can choose from these places. Let me go to the charts. Let me add this. Okay. Because I'm adding it now, it seems to me it's not going to be anything, but let's see. Let's see how it's going to be. Increase it a little bit. Then I turn it this way. Okay. Let's see what we have. Let me change the color. Let me change it to red. And then you can use this nudge to take it backwards, upwards, downwards, in order to merge with what you want. Okay. So I still need to bring it closer a little bit. So I'm going to use nudge again to bring it closer a bit. So this is it. And then let me take it to the back. position. I want it to appear behind the flower. Okay, I want it to appear this way. So this is what we have. Okay, after building it, you can now download your pictures. Please, what did I do to Google? Why are they showing me a lot of ads? Now you click, this is the download button here. You click on it so that you save it. Save. And if your network is fast, it will be saved fastly. Just sit back and watch. You're going to see it in your gallery. Saved to gallery. Can you see it? Okay. What if you animated something? Maybe this image here, or maybe this flower. Animate. Let me take bread, fade, pan, rice, tumble. Let me check tumble. Okay. Rice. You take rice and then the birthday. Let me check best. Alright. Then we take sweetheart. We take roll. Okay. So what if you animated it? You save it by clicking here. Then you click on the save here. You choose MP4. There are many other suggestions here, but it's better you save it as MP4. Okay. Click on download. Then you sit back and wait. You can take a chilled malt. If you're like me, take a chilled Heineken. Yeah. This is all you have to do. This is about Canva. The next thing I'll tell you is how you can make profit using all these things. So this is it here. We are done with it. Let's play it and see what we have. Let me use X player. So this is what we have. It is playable. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Remain blessed. Remain focused. We'll meet again in this capacity next time. It's your CEO of Iche Digitals. Iche Amos is my name.